Hey everyone, happy Mother's Day, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you guys a new product that we got into Zahramay Boutique recently. I was very lucky to be able to create a relationship with Logan and Lenora and get some of their products and beautiful things over into our store. So what I wanted to share with you guys today is their tote called the Daytripper. Now this is quite a large everyday tote. It does come with a attached messenger strap, and it is adjustable with gold hardware, which is really nice. Now I'll give you a little rundown of my experiences with Jujube lights, because that is kind of what I compared this particular bag to. I have a bee light here, and this is my son's dance bag, and I love these for this particular purpose, but I couldn't ever get the bee light to work for me as kind of a bag for me, like a diaper bag or even a quick trip bag. It just wasn't wide enough or big enough or something. But the Logan and Lenora Daytripper really is fantastic because it fits everything I need with more room even on top for more things. And the lovely thing about this bag is that it does have a wet and dry section. So if you're using this as a swimming bag or a beach bag, just such a wonderful option to have those two features on the bag. You also get a nice little tassel. Now this is in the blush stripe. So I think this is really nice in person. And this does sit very nicely on the body when packed up. It kind of hobos, which is really cool. So I really did like that about the Daytripper. This is a Samia. You've probably seen this in some of my other videos. I actually do have NCO coming to Zahramay Boutique too, so I'm super excited about that because these guys make fantastic quality bag, tote, inserts, accessories, and I've had this for over a year and I've used it quite a lot, and it looks brand new. It's fantastic quality, these. So I do have this packed up with my things for my 2-year-old and maybe 1 or 2 other kids with me. And I also have my Logan and Lenora wristlet clutch in the lashes print. I'm really liking this too. So I'll show you how that fits into the Daytripper and how much room you actually do have left over. As the Daytripper just laid out on the ground here, you do have a nice pleat here, which is kind of makes the bag look, you know, it's got a nice style to it. As I said, you have a little tassel here that is removable, and this section of the bag is the dry section, which is really nice. So in here I'm going to pop my Kate Spade lacy wallet in there, as well as my iPhone 10, because everything else I'm going to put into the center of the bag. You have these little tote handles here that you can grab and go, which is really nice. And as I said before, you have the adjustable messenger strap. Now this is attached to the bag. You can't remove that, but that's okay because I figure, you know, it's essential for the use of the bag. So before I put my insert in, I just want to show you guys what I have in here real quick. So this is, as I said, it's a wonderful insert. You can clip it together on either side to make it a little smaller, but at the moment, because I have a lot of things in here, I have it unclipped. It does zip together, like right here. You can zip it closed and take it that way. If you wanted to attach a little messenger strap to the side, there are little holes here, so you can take that on its own if you want to. So in the front here, I do have just a packet of tissues. There's another slip pocket here and here, and on the back there's another longer slip pocket that clips together, and here I just have a Y pouch 30. In the center here there are 3 pockets along the front here, 1, 2, 3. This one I have my keys, this one I have my small set piece with all my mommy and med kit needs, and in the third one I have a Jujube coin purse in Kaiju City with some Rory Story cubes in there just to entertain my kiddos. There's a little elastic pocket on this side, and then here I just have my hand sanitizer, and along the back there is a zipper, and here I have a pen gem. I also do sell these at Zahramay Boutique now, and these are just so pretty. This is one with my name of the store on there, but there are some just plain ones available for sale as well. There are 3 slip pockets in the back here, and they're slightly different sizes. So in this one I have a coin purse with my brush and hair ties and hair clips. In the middle one I've got my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick, lip gloss and such in there. Nothing in this one, nothing in this elastic pocket here. And in the center I have a mini wipe pouch with antibacterial wipes, a large play pack with some coloring crayons and paper in there, pictures, and a smaller play pack with some pipsqueak textures and some other coloring pictures in there for my girls. So that's everything that I need fit into my Samia here. So I'm going to pop that into the Daytripper. I just think that looks really nice too. The coloring looks really pretty. Okay, so you can see in there. Now this is the wet section, so this is waterproof lined. And I also have my Logan Lenora wristlet clutch with all my nappy knees, 2 size 5 nappies and a light change pad, coin purse, disposable baggies, and a Baby Olay wet and dry bag in the front here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that just behind. You can see inside there. So it fit really nicely in there, lots of room to spare. And I'm also going to put in a thermos fontainer just in the corner here, because there is room. And there is still loads more room on top for any cardigans or scarves, because it's coming into winter, or anything like that that I may need. And you zip that up. It just works as a perfect tote to take out with you on days out, quick trips. You could even take it out on a full day, I reckon, because it would fit so much in there. So that's what it looks like when it's on the body hobo. So I'll show you what it looks like next to a V-Light now.